We got an exclusive first look on the Nothing Phone 3, and if you've been following the Nothing lineup since Phone 1, this is their first flagship. So let's see what's new. So Phone 1 was all about that fresh design, nothing like it. Transparent back, light up glyphs, quirky dot font, something different in a sea of same-ish looking phones. Then came Phone 2, same look but more polish, a faster chip, better cameras, and Nothing OS 2 made it feel like it's designed for daily use. Now we've got the Phone 3, and this time it actually feels like a flagship. The design's more refined, the glyph lights are smarter, the performance finally hits top tier, and the cameras are serious upgrades. So, what's new with the Phone 3 versus the Phone 2? Let's check it out. On the hardware, Phone 3 goes IP68 water resistant, slims the bezels to just 1.87mm and uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front. The back is still transparent, but now has a more structured modern layout, still kind of funky but more functional. As for the performance, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. You're getting a noticeable speed boost. Apps launch faster, AI features feel zippier, and there's much better GPU horsepower. That said, it's not using the highest end chip like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so raw performance isn't quite top of the top. So the battery has bumped up to 5150 mAh with 65 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging. It goes 0 to 50% in under 20 minutes, so it's super quick, super practical. The display is still at 6.67 inches, still a slick 120Hz AMOLED, but now with up to 4500 nits peak brightness. It's great for the outdoors. PWM dimming also gets a bump to 960Hz, so even at low brightness, you're getting cleaner, more stable visuals. Let's talk about the unique features that it offers. What's actually different? The new Glyph is a circular LED disc with 489 addressable lights. It shows timers, volume levels, caller ID, and even quirky tools. It's super cute. It's fun, but depending on how you use your phone, maybe not essential. There's a new physical button that adds interaction with the Glyph Matrix. Long press it during a call to see who's ringing without flipping the phone. It's a cool idea, but it launched with limited functionality, so we kind of have to wait for more updates on this. But as for the essential space, there's a side button shortcut to store screenshots, voice notes, or photos, all auto-transcribed and searchable with built-in AI. So you can even flip the phone to auto-record meetings, but there's a red light that shows that you are recording, so you kind of have to define what discreet means. Right now, it's running on Nothing OS 3.5. It's still bloat-free and still clean. But there's now an essential search, a universal search bar for files, contacts, or quick info like weather or currency. The animations feel more refined, and Nothing promises 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches, nearly matching flagship phones' lead. Now onto the cameras. All 4 lenses have 50 megapixel. The main camera is 50 megapixel, 1 to 1.3 sensor that pulls in 44% more light than Phone 2. Night shots and HDR video finally feel flagship worthy. For the periscope zoom, there's 3 times optical, 6 times lossless, and up to 60 times AI zoom. It's sharp enough for concert, zoom-ins, or distant landmarks. As for the ultra-wide, it's 114 degrees field of view and ultra-stable action video. The front camera is also 50 megapixel with strong video stabilization for vlogging. All 4 lenses shoot up to 4K 60 FPS, and Nothing's TrueLens Engine 4 delivers real-time scene separation and HDR balance, so video colors pop without looking too processed. But also, I kind of want to talk about the camera real quick. Like, the placement's kind of funky, so it depends on how you feel, what matters to you, whether it's uniqueness or familiarity. This is the new Phone 3. For the colors, you get the signature white or black, and they're all for sustainability. More recycled metals and plastics. There's not even plastic in the box, so that's kind of cool. If you're somebody who values character in your tech, something expressive, something more playful, the Nothing phone usually delivers that. In Nothing's lineup, the Phone 3 is probably the most unique phone you'll find in 2025. It's fast enough for most people, cameras are genuinely solid now, and the software feels smart without being overbearing. But if raw performance, camera versatility, or practical features are your top priority, personally, I'm looking forward to more updates. So Phone 3 feels like nothing is really growing into the brand that they've always wanted to be. There's a clear point of view here. A phone that integrates your digital life with your daily life pretty seamlessly. And in a world full of the same-ish looking phones, this one's definitely worth talking about. So, what do you think about the Nothing Phone 3? Tell me in the comments, and if you want more info, you can check out the link in the description box. Until then, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.